And welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 20th of April 2015. And starting off in the 5-minute chart, we can see that the Dow in the pre-market session traded off the 18,100 level, become a resistance there, and dropping down to 17,950, 150 point drop there before the open, and then we see the market trading back to this level just before the open. Prices are forced lower, and we then see the market finding support at the 17,850, and then we have a couple of PTIs there. The market starts to move higher, heads towards the 20-point scalp there, but runs into trouble and then starts to reverse and move back towards the downside, and we see this one being taken out for a 42-point loss, unfortunately. But then the market finding support once more at this level. It looks promising that we've got the market finding support at this area, and it could actually go on to move back to the upside, but then we get the triple X traded during the quieter part of the session, and again we see the market trying to move higher but failing to do so, and then we get a reversal triple X there when we see the market reversing. So the next one is taken out as well with another 22 points loss, so giving us 64 points out of pocket at this stage. But like I've said in many previous market alerts, if you get the losers at the start of the session, you'll get the winners by the end. And of course, we see the opposite of that most of the time, where at the beginning of the session, if the volatility is right, you get the winners. And then there's the chance of having a loser after you've had several winners in the early parts of the session. So here we see the triple X, the market reversing and then driving through the 17,800 level with professional selling. We get a bit of buying support coming in, but notice that prices fail to close above the high of this bar, which is a critical level, and then continuing on down towards the 17,750 level, where we see the potential on this trade using the psychological levels as profit targets, which I talk about a lot in here, at 78 points on this. But if you trail the stop at 50% or 100% above of these lower highs, you will see that the market stops out at this level. But no surprise that the market's finding support here at this time. So from the entry point down towards the trailing stop there, 54 points, which would leave you net 10 or 12 on the day, whereas down to the scalp, not the scalp, sorry, the psychological level of 17,750 would give you that maximum of 70 plus points there to make up the loss, and also give a few points profit as well. In the daily chart, you can see the sell-off there. A big down move for Friday after failing to close above the 18,162, back below the 76% retracement, which I'm now going to remove off the chart as well. Talking of 78% retracements, as the market's moving lower, let's just go from this low to this high, and we can see there we're back at 62% of this recent move. 76 is going to be crucial here, so a case of looking to see if the market will hold at this level. And on the news front, I'm recording this on a Sunday, so on the news Monday, absolutely nothing, the same as last Monday, no news at all. So the market's going to have to make its direction by itself, or any other news that comes out that could move the markets. And on the implied volatility, 1250 for Friday, so the market moving sharply higher. I think Thursday's was 1136 if I recall. So they're seeing a full 1% plus increase in the implied volatility, adding to potential downside pressure there. So it's a matter of seeing what the market does tomorrow to confirm whether this is just a shakeout and the market's going to move back to the upside, or we're going to see further selling pressure coming into the market. But like I say, no news for tomorrow. Right, that's it for me for today. I'll see you in Tuesday's market alert. Have a good day, and as ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.